Angry Orchard hard cider. It's made using real apples. It's delicious and naturally You guys are bleeping now? Not bad it's Angry Orchard It's the good kind.
Natural real apples.
Enough with the bleeping.
También eso quiere decir que si no estás gastando dinero en electricidad, ese dinero lo puedes invertir en aspectos de tu negocio que van a traerte más clientela, como tecnología, como mercadeo, como promoción. Entonces, estarían en una mucho mejor posición económica.
Unfortunately, we can't be together this year to celebrate in person for our annual meeting and award ceremony with our typical open bar, but I'm so excited to be here to show you how to make our signature drink for the night called the Hidden Figure. So this cocktail is going to feature Uncle Nearest 1856 premium whiskey. So for those of you who don't know, Uncle Nearest was a formerly enslaved black man who taught Jack Daniel how to make whiskey. Over 100 years ago, most people didn't know who Uncle Nearest was, but today the brand is the fastest growing whiskey brand in American history.
Hey, can you help me with this? So are you gonna help me or?
You okay, Dad?
Oh, yeah, I'm perfect. So, son, look yourself in the eyes. Now, breathe in the positivity, breathe out the negativity. All right? Now, you ready to do this? All right, so let me hear you. Ready? Here we go.
Hop, step, flat, ball change.
Right? Hop, step, flat, ball change. Hop, step, flat, ball change. Hop, step, flat, ball change. Hop.
Feel the rain falling on me. I feel the rain falling on me. I feel the rain falling on me.